Okay, it's our last video in the series, and I'm going to show you one of the new features just released this past summer in Flipgrid, and that's the ability to share your screen. Sometimes you want to do a screencast. You want to walk someone through something to demonstrate, or you want to show what you know. In order to do this, we're going to move away from our usual effects and move over to options. When we click on options, you will notice that the fourth and final option is record screen. So when I click record screen, it will say, start sharing your screen. I say, yeah, that's fantastic. And start. It will ask which screen you want. Now, sometimes you might only see one screen, but sometimes you'll see two. I have two monitors attached, and that's why you'll see two screens. So I'm going to say this one right here. And notice before I clicked it, I couldn't click share. I'm going to click share. Before I point that out though, I want you to look down in that corner. Here I am, look at me. I show up. I don't need to be there. You can hover over top and close that built-in webcam if you choose not to be seen. But I'm gonna stay there, I kinda like it. I'll hit share. It will give me the countdown. I'm going to go to another tab and I'm going to share my painting. So this was a painting that I created. Well, not so much painting. It's a replication of a painting that I created using Google Drawings. A couple of things I want to point out. I have a perfect circle up here because I held Shift and the circle shape at the same time, which makes it a perfect circle. To get these river-like blues, I simply selected the shape and chose the border outline, changed it to a different color, and made it a bit thicker. These little guys carrying the boat, I didn't draw those. They were cut and paste in from the internet. I found some great clip art and I was able to bring that in to my drawing. Same with the trees. So it's created by me. You can see my little signature down at the bottom, but this is the art piece that I'm really proud of. I come back here, I click stop recording. There is my video. Now remember, just like before, I can click. And if I was speaking, I can drag around so that that beginning little bit before I'm actually speaking and that end little bit where I go to press stop recording can be cut out. I click confirm. So this was a painting that I created, well, not so much. And there is my screen capture. I can go through that whole thing and everyone can see what's on my screen so that I can demo or show what I know. Now it's your turn. Go find your favorite piece of work that you've done this year and share your screen. Talk about what you like. Notice that I used my cursor. I moved that around. You can see that in the video. So moving your cursor around will allow people to see what it is that you're talking about. Have fun.